Adidas, one of the best strikers in the world. We're talking about across the board right now.
Yeah.
One of the best strikers in the world. More goals than games for Jamaica. Yeah.
Jodi Brown will be the next biggest thing coming out of Jamaica. She might be a bunny but at the goal, trust
Yeah,
me.
man. No, yeah. She might
Trust me.
take that people. At least I
Trust
wonder.
me.
She might be a bunny, but she had a goal. Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to this side at Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most entertaining and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet. But before we get into all of this, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to this side at Sports TV. Hey man, you're not on a mic, but why you tell them, and me I put it like, may I make subtitles, bro. Tell them what them to do after that. Alright, the real supporters. Tell more email just them. We don't care here, come over on the mic. But anyways, you're there with a guest. You don't know. Familiar face too, but we still want him to introduce himself. Go over to him, IG and all of that and support the thing. Introduce yourself to them, G.
Alright, this are that Sports TV. I'm Sudan Bowen, just a regular guy. A sports fan, you see me, just follow up on the general channel, rate the work and thing, keep it up, you see me.
Alright, so we're going to get into some reasoning, bro. Right
Oh,
now,
I remember, as him said, check out the IG at Sudan Bowen, you see me?
Yeah.
And the YouTube too.
And the Twitter.
Me not take YouTube serious yet, but go and give me some subscribers because I want the 1,000, you see me? And I watch hours them, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
pin the link, CMR people. It's in the description. Alright, so we're here at the Pegasus Hotel. It was the first leg of the FIFA Women's World Cup Trophy Tour.
Yeah.
This was the first stop. Let's talk about the event and then we'll get into some women's football. How you find the event?
Alright. I will look for a good first.
Yeah,
I feel like this is definitely a good start because I think they said that at the first, like at the biggest trophy tour this way, all of the team them qualify for the World Cup. I get the trophy. So this big, you see me? In terms of like the development of women's football and thing and getting fans and stuff, it's nice for you know say yo we make it to back-to-back World Cups and the trophy come here. So we don't have to worry about Janu. If me can't afford to go Australia or I couldn't go France 2019, me not even know what the trophy look like. You understand? So it's a good start. It go on a tour, so not like it just come Kingston and left. It go Diego. It go. I remember the other
Diego, it go Ocho Years High School and then it go
Mobile. Yeah.
So it's a
you
long
understand
tour,
that?
whole day.
It's a good tour that. So even if you're not in a town, if you're there west, you can still. If you're there Westmoreland, Westmoreland may come from a 1 hour I take from stop to go at Mobile.
Yeah.
You see me say you can take a house and go see trophy and thing and get the photos.
Yeah, man.
That's something where you can look back down the years, show your pick them and say, yo, watch out. Jamaica are the first team to make it to back World Cup. And maybe get a picture with the trophy. You can show your son them things, isn't it? And your daughter too.
And the thing is, you know, it's important. I'm going to say it all day. From a reach, I say it's important that the girls did this. Obviously, other trophies come to Jamaica already, but they came to Jamaica because the girls qualified for the World Cup in 2 consecutive cities. Again, I said that is why they're here. They may just come because we are doing a World Cup.
Yo, people don't understand how major it is to a girl and go back to World Cups. Because even this, they're not going to talk about it, but this whole Adidas thing and whatever. Yes, the World Cup being in the US in 2026, Adidas don't see that as an opportunity and say, yo, if we sponsor Jamaica, even who aren't Jamaicans and don't know about Jamaican football, they're going to buy the jerseys. That is true. But me almost certain say Reggae Girlz going to consistent World Cups play that part in it because Adidas will look and say, alright, even if Reggae Boys not go World Cup, we're guaranteed based on what we are saying. So our jerseys are going to want World Cup every year based on how Reggae Girlz playing consistently.
I understand that. And right now we can say, definitely right now, they are a more successful team. You know, in terms of from JFF standpoint. Obviously you have the boys that win the Caribbean Cup and the World Cup finals and whatever, which probably in terms of competition and difficulty that is a big deal. But in terms of going to the World Cup in itself.
Exactly, because if you do a comparison, you know, Reggae Girlz don't have that much things to compete for. So probably if Reggae Girlz had a Caribbean Cup, probably them would have won it too.
True.
Remember say the women's gold cup just at the start. No. As a mess of Reggae Girlz, they only have CONCACAF Women's Championship, which them consistently get them bronze medal. You see me? And any tournament you go, whether World Cup, Olympics, any sport, from your medal, It's a big deal.
Yeah. And we have Olympic qualifiers that come up. Who knows?
Exactly.
Maybe the girls are making it to the Olympics.
Yeah.
And let's talk about the team for a second. Who's your favorite player on the Reggae Girlz team?
Alright. We are gonna say Bunny no. We can't use Bunny.
Everybody love Bunny.
Exactly. Jodi Brown.
Jodi Brown.
Yeah.
Baller.
Yeah.
I feel like, bro, in a few, Jodi Brown she can be up there with Kenny.
No.
In terms of...
Watch out. I'm gonna lay this right here. I'm gonna come out to that there.
Yeah.
Jodi Brown will be the next biggest thing coming out of Jamaica. Man or woman.
Bro, when you look at Jodi Brown's game, you talk about speed, you talk about pace. The only thing I think she can improve on is just being a little bit more clinical. More she get a little more clinical. I feel like she get in a good position.
Be more decisive.
Yeah.
Because even in them play in the tour, them play Spain.
Them play Czech Republic and Australia.
Now the Czech Republic game. One time I said Jodi, I take them down the line. I said Jodi chop in and I said Jodi just skip. She delay and then them tackle.
Yeah.
That's the only thing more Jodi are doing. Just be more decisive. Done. Trust me.
Yeah, for sure. Love Jodi Brown. Talk about some other players. How you feel about Alison Swaby? I feel like she's one that gone under the radar a lot of the times, but she's so integral to her defending.
And in terms of leadership as well,
Yeah.
both Swaby sisters, it's so crazy how a lot of times we say siblings and they will have one who will make it to a higher level than another one, so one superior to the other.
Yeah.
The two sisters, them neck and neck. Alison was a part of the first Roma team to win a trophy.
Mm-hmm.
Chantel was a part of the first Rangers team to win a trophy. Both were a part of the first Caribbean team to go to the World Cup. So the two of them together, and now the two of them they're in France.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Mm-hmm. Neck and neck. So it's really good. Just imagine them parents.
Yeah. Another player in our midfield this time. Juice Spence, so I believe, bro, if Juice Spence is at the top of her game, I feel like this Reggae Girlz team go to another level. Obviously, we know we're Bunny as the best player, but if Juice Spence can be on top of her game, what do you think that give it as a team?
Even not just Juice Spence, but like the setup of the Reggae Girlz team in terms of the spine. I'm a Chelsea fan, so me always look on it.
I'm going through some rough times right now, my boy.
I always look on it back in the days like when we used to have a Check, John Terry, a Lampard, a Drogba.
Yeah.
So the Reggae Girlz fine now, you have a Tottenham goalkeeper, you have a Chantel and Alison Swaby.
PSG.
You have a Drew Spence in the middle, and you have a Man City Wanisha up top. Like our spine is set up so good and a perfect balance. And back to Drew with her leadership on the level that Drew has played over the years and the experience. I think Drew coming in the Reggae Girlz squad now with the other young players around her, I feel like she can impact a lot of them off of the field.
Yeah.
Because we know what Drew Spence can give us on the field, and Drew Spence on her day. You get me?
Yeah, I like Drew Spence, and I think the only thing she can work on is probably just her intensity and just stay engaged in the whole game. But sometimes we catch her a walk and think, but when she have a ball on her foot,
Drew, I just want to stay fit.
Yeah.
I don't know, him can say, me want to stay. If you stay fit, just do what you want.
No, trust me, we love Drew Spence, man. I feel like she's the key that can unlock a lot of things. Because a strong midfield, when you have a strong midfield, you can get away with attacking.
Drew is like a tank in the middle. Yeah, so when you have Drew playing alongside Atlanta Primus and Havana Solon, I feel like that midfield three perfectly balanced.
Yeah.
But even other day in the Australia tour, I say Brian Sampson play at the base of the midfield, and I say, hold on.
Yeah, and the thing is, she's so versatile. She can play anywhere across the back line, and she can step in on the midfield. I love seeing a defender we can play.
Originally, me used to always say, Drew, Primus, Solon, our best midfield three, and anybody else can come in and think. But when I see how Brian Sampson play other day, I say, no man.
What do you think of the weakest part of our team though? Because I feel like, let me hear what you say first.
Weakest part of our team?
Yeah.
Definitely not attack.
Affable wing backs, bro. It's affable wing backs. We don't have the greatest. In terms of team, we have a good team.
Alright.
But the wing backs is the weak.
We don't have enough depth.
Yeah.
At depth. Because
I feel like even quality, bro. I feel like that is the part of the team where if we had an engine, I feel like defensively we were fine. You can put Chantel on the right, you can put Denisha Blackwood on the left, and it's fine.
Yeah.
But I feel like if I was supposed to improve on one part of the team, that's the first place I'd look to first. And depth, is the worst part of the team.
Yeah,
in terms of
because alright.
One of them two they out are in a problem.
Because look at left back. Denisha Blackwood is a solid left back, you know. But from she did have an ACL injury, then she come back. She take time finding her way again, get her moved to France and things. And I even spoke to her in the Paraguay game, and she was telling me how the move to France, it was deeper than just football. It was for the mental health, because she did need to get back into playing and everything. So all of them things there. But once they on them game, we're solid.
Yeah,
we're solid. Because
sure.
really and truly, you know, when you look on the Reggae Girlz squad, I don't want normal piece of squad we have, you know. I don't want normal piece of squad.
If you look for it, yeah, we have players playing in all of the top leagues. All of the top leagues. I mean, I talk about not playing at the bottom of them either. You know, if you mentioned Vian did not play at solid. She was at Arsenal, she was at West Ham. I think, I don't remember the last club she was at, but now she's in the Scottish Premier League. No, we have people playing
just
at,
like
such a high
level.
A
PH Bailey Gale. PH Bailey Gale used to get player of the month in the championship, you know, when she had like 19, 18.
We team a normal man, and that's what I love about it. Okay, we are talking about Spain and we are talking about Brazil and France and all of those teams. Australia, some of the best teams in the world. So it's hard, and this is a perfect segue to talk about the World Cup itself now. How do you think we match up to the best teams in the world? Obviously, we're ranked for 40 something. I think we did make a jump the other day. How do you feel we match up to the best teams in the world? Will this group that we are in right now, we have France, we have Brazil, we have Panama. How we match up?
Alright, in terms of the group itself, that Panama game will be, the make or break.
So what?
Meaning, if we go in that group, the Panama game will be the last game, I think, our last fixture. If in that group we beat Panama and secure our first 3 points, we're not talking about making it, because me is a realist. If we get our first 3 points at the World Cup, it was a very successful World Cup. The last World Cup we went to our first World Cup, we scored our first goal. Right. If we go at second time, get our first win. That means that we are on a good trajectory. You understand? When we go back 2027 now, we can say, alright, we are making steady progress.
It's all about improving. Other people will probably say we're being negative because you're not saying, we're going to win the World Cup. We have a job to be real with it. You get me? And every year you have to improve. Last time, just making it to the World Cup was the achievement in itself. And don't get me wrong, making it to the World Cup, any given World Cup is an achievement for Jamaica, bro. Winner that big. So just a look at that from the island, in the world match we're doing what we're doing is a great feat. So making it to the World Cup is an achievement in itself. Don't get me wrong.
We just want to go there and be competitive.
That's what it is. We can't celebrate making it the next time.
I understand.
No, I just build for
that. Become all if when we play Brazil. No matter how poor a Brazil team can be, Brazil will always be Brazil.
And they're expected to beat us.
You understand? But we just want to go there and Reggae Girlz will do that.
Yeah.
That's one thing I like with
them. Them
are going to fight because even how they make it to the World Cup, you know, them girls have beat Mexico in Mexico, you know. That's something that has never been done by any Jamaican team.
And both parts, yet the most recent part wasn't an easy one. Remember the game where I think Coach Dallas probably not gonna admit it. I feel like he just tanked the game, the America game. Remember, alright, we're gonna lose this one, but we're gonna catch them that next game. And even before that, we went on. I think we went on penalty shootout in the World Cup before this.
Penalty.
And an easy thing, them girls are gonna fight. And not gonna stop until last whistle. I love that about team. So that's a great thing to mention.
Because even the last World Cup, remember, so when we play against like Brazil, them and we lose and things. We put up fight. Remember, say again, the Sydney Schneider make her name, you know.
And it's unfortunate, you know, because Sydney duel for Sydney saved penalty for it. But then Rebecca is just a different class.
That really and truly, the goalkeeping position, I feel like that are the hardest decision. I mean, I think it's that easy to the coach determine because.
I feel like it's easy, bro.
I mean, I think it's easy because
Rebecca can keep it.
Rebecca can keep it.
And she can knock it.
She can knock it, but Sydney is better in height. Sydney has never played a game for us, so we can say. Like, me never see Sydney start, and we say,
If the Paraguay game we are mentioning, I'm me
never see Sydney start, and we are saying, yo, Becky should have started between you, see what happened. And on the other flip, Becky never started, and we are saying, yo, imagine for the Sydney. Anytime any of them play, solid. But again, if you have a goalkeeper playing in the highest league, naturally you
one of the best teams.
You understand? So you have to expect that she will start. Because if two of them the neck and neck, when you have to use comparison, then
And I feel like what is important too, bro, the way we want to play, I feel like we're trying to play more attractive football in terms of playing the ball out from the back. Rebecca miles ahead of Sydney Snyder. We can talk about reflex, we can talk about positioning and all of that.
Sydney Snyder is very young, so she will develop.
True.
She will develop. We are talking about somebody who right now in her early 20s and already has 2 World Cups under her belt. She have probably 2 more or more in her, so she will develop.
For sure. We just want to take this opportunity to make up Reggae Girlz.
Yeah.
I feel like obviously they don't get enough love, and we have to have a conversation about improving the game. I have my own opinions, and I feel like the game just needs to be a little bit more entertaining for people. Obviously, I watch it because I have interest. I watch the Reggae Girlz, but probably watch them league games because I have interest, personal interest. But outside of that, I'm not gonna catch myself and watch a random women's game in America with no Reggae Girlz. You get me? I say, so if the game itself if it get a little bit more attractive, I feel like the fans are gonna take on to it a bit more, and that come with the support, that come with everything with them where female sports are fighting. You get me? I say so. But we just want to take the opportunity to big up the girls, bro. Trudy Carter, Khadija Shah, Jodi Brown, Juice Spence, Anabana Salone, Sylvie Sisters, Vaya Muji. Big up the whole on you get me? I say because making it to the World Cup. I can't imagine being at a World Cup. I can't imagine playing in a World Cup.
Brother, just
Jamaica.
Alright. Make it like this. In our qualifiers, to get to the World Cup, we have the defending champion. We have the world number 1.
We have the best team in the world.
So let's do a comparison quick. So like we have world number 1 USA. So imagine
Argentina.
Imagine Reggae Boys that we had talked from before. So imagine them that we play against France.
Yeah.
Because France had the defending champion at the time, right?
Oh yeah.
We have Mexico. Now I think in terms of the rankings, when you check it, I think the flip of that would have been like a Poland, for example. I think based on the exact rankings and things. You understand? We have to play against Canada, and Canada a solid team in women's football. Same me.
Better than us.
Probably we can say Canada at the level of like one Belgium in a men's football.
We can see that.
You understand?
We can see that.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
And you have like Haiti gonna World Cup now, and Haiti have solid players. You see me? Brother, with the girls them have to go through get to World Cup, incredible.
Sure.
Incredible.
Because of that we want to beat them. Because of that we want to give them props and everything else. So.
And remember say whole drama too, because remember say after them qualify for World Cup, them got airport and luggage not paid.
Even before that with the whole coach situation and getting a new coach.
So all the complaints always I say like the Reggae Boys go through it with the whole traveling and things.
The girls get it.
And we are man, brother. Like man, no sexist thing. So nobody come with you see me, but like how men were expected to rough it out and tolerate certain things. A girl them could have really and truly say, we not do this, If the Reggae Girlz them they get up and say, we not play.
We have to understand.
We have to understand.
Because the men them do that already, we have to understand. When them do it in a Suriname. They get me. I say, I'm get it, bro. I get it. I understand what you say, 100%.
And at no point them never deny that.
Yeah.
And credit to Bonnie too as a captain, like in terms of leadership and holding it down, and the whole squad say, we have to do this. Whatever go on, we just have to do it. And big up Sidela Marley. Big up Sidela Marley as well.
For sure. Finally, Khadija Shah, one of the best strikers in the world. You talk about across the board right now.
Yeah.
One of the best strikers in the world. More goals than games for Jamaica. They get me, I say, Joe Mars says she's the greatest Jamaican footballer, period. In terms of her contribution to the nation, what she doing in the domestic game. We put her a second, we still have Didi. I feel like if she got a World Cup and score a couple goals, I can't argue again. You get me, I say? How you feel Khadija match up in terms of Jamaican football? Where you put her?
I don't want to do ranking.
But you accept that she's one of the greatest Jamaican footballers ever.
She, of course, brother. Bonnie, what we say Bonnie at the right now, Bonnie is a Jamaican born, attended school out here fully, so she never left after 9th grade or whatever. And she reached at the highest level now. I never want a US born person to Jamaican parents, like from St. Jago used to play ball at Spain Town, left go college. Everybody expects that she will go in the draft and go to the NWSL, and she take the risk and say, me not going in the draft. Me I go Europe, and she have the confidence in herself. And now she make it to them levels. That alone let me say Bunny a different. England man them know say yo, cut from a different cloth. Different, like it show your mentality. Say no, Bunny know say.
Yeah.
They
She knows
can,
that she have
yeah,
something.
exactly.
Yeah.
And even the clip from when she did a Jago and she say yo, she see herself being one of the best footballers from Jamaica. From a long time, isn't it?
Yeah, and self-belief is the greatest
Me
thing.
have a brethren who tell me say he used to play ball with Bunny and Spain, and once Bunny used to come then whether you want to be man to man, Bunny a pile you.
No man, Bunny will so
Yeah.
you not take a blind man to say Bunny are weak. Like Bunny will
Yo,
we see it in the national stadium.
He might tell me say yo, I
Bunny
don't
will
know.
pile him,
He
man.
said what we say no, I don't know she had it. He said
Yeah.
from the time the Bunny just
Yeah.
always she like a little fit them. She
Yeah.
used to bigger than everybody else.
She's skilled, man.
And she always have skills.
Yeah, she's skilled. She's strong, she's skilled.
Mm.
I feel like her pace is a sneaky fast.
Yeah.
She look heavy.
She
you know,
look heavy,
but
she's swift.
she's powerful. You get me? I say
But
so.
overall, in terms of greatness, you can't
Can't go
deny,
wrong, I
trust me.
Can't
Trust
go
me.
wrong,
As I say, me personally don't want to do ranking.
Yeah.
But Bunny, when you talk about GOAT,
Yeah. Put her in it.
she might be a Bunny but at the GOAT. Trust
Yeah,
me.
man. Nah, yeah. She might
Trust me.
take that people. I
Trust
tease her one
me.
day. She might be a Bunny, but she had a good.
Trust me.
Now go around it. Finally, bro. Shout out the thing again and let the people them know which
Remember,
finally.
subscribe to This or That Sports TV.
First of all,
Man, them a put in the work. Trust
Yes,
me,
sir.
consistent and thing. Them a do it out of the love. You see me for the game. And make sure you check me out on YouTube, Sedan Boy, Instagram, everything is Sedan Boy. You see me? You get some sports content from me as well. Pretty much stuff like what they do, but I'm going to the events and so on, like the different brands and stuff, and you see something cool. Mix and match here.
for sure. People, I will not talk about football. Obviously, football is our era, but sit down there, football game. Let me say, I see what I do with stream and champs to see how you cover track and field and keep everybody updated. Just on the top here. You see me, I say, so go over there, support the man thing. Give him a subscribe, give him a follow up on the gram and the Twitter. Big up on yourself. For now, people, if you like the video, just like the video. That's all I ask. A joke, and that's not art. Subscribe to, leave a comment and share the video to 10 people. We'll get us 6 subscribers. See if I can do that. How many subscribers that will get us by the end of that day? And we'll leave. For now though, this was That Sports TV, leaving the Pegasus Hotel. Reggae Girlz, big up on yourself. We're out.